Well, there was tornado warnings all the way down into Greeley, Windsor area all day today.
It's losing it now. It's becoming a rope now. I wonder if there's another one we can't see.
We just let Carly go one time to search the house.
We'll see, some cats are eating, so.
We're not eating them for food.
There's still food in there. They just gotta hold in the bags. So.
Okay, we had to get her just in case we have to take the other ones downstairs.
What's that?
We had to get her in there in case we had to take the other ones downstairs. Can't be by Carly.
We only need to take the 2 other ones downstairs. It's still going by spin now.
It's not gonna last. See, it's.
Yeah, that seems pretty far.
Mm-hmm.
You're losing it. Does that sound too?
There it goes.
It goes all the way back in.
Huh. That was fast. We should look to see if there's any others, because if there's one, there's might be a possibility.